Want free crypto? Let's snag that airdrop right now using Trust Wallet. First, make sure you've downloaded and set up Trust Wallet. If you haven't, pause this video and head to the App Store. It's available for both iOS and Android. We're assuming you already have some crypto in your wallet to cover any potential gas fees. Now, the crucial part. If you're on iOS, you may not see a DApps or browser button at the bottom. If that's the case, don't worry. Go to your phone's settings, then security, and enable the DApp browser from within Trust Wallet settings. If you are on Android, you should see it at the bottom. Now tap on DApps or browser. This takes you to the decentralized application browser. You'll need the correct website address for the airdrop you want to claim. Be extremely cautious here. Double-check the URL to avoid phishing scams. A great resource for finding legit airdrops is DappRadar or the project's official website or social media. Paste the airdrop website address into the search bar at the top and hit enter. Once the website loads, look for a Connect Wallet button. It might say something similar like Connect to Trust Wallet. Tap it. A window will pop up asking for permission to connect your Trust Wallet. Select Trust Wallet from the options and confirm the connection. This allows the website to interact with your wallet. Follow the instructions on the airdrop website carefully. You might need to verify your social media accounts, enter your email address, or complete other tasks. Some airdrops automatically distribute the tokens, while others require you to manually claim them. If you need to claim the airdrop, look for a button that says Claim Airdrop or Claim Tokens and tap on it. A transaction confirmation screen will appear within Trust Wallet. Pay close attention to the estimated gas fees. These fees cover the cost of processing the transaction on the blockchain. Make sure you have enough crypto in your wallet to cover these fees. If you're happy with the gas fees, tap Approve to confirm the transaction. The transaction will now be processed. This can take a few minutes, depending on network congestion. Once it's complete, you should see a success message on the airdrop website and within Trust Wallet. Finally, go back to the main screen of your Trust Wallet. You might need to manually add the token's contract address to see it in your list. You can usually find the correct contract address on the project's official website or on a blockchain explorer like CoinGecko or CoinMarketCap. Now you can enjoy your free crypto. Remember, always be cautious and do your own research.